Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix GeForce Now error code 0xC2720021. Let's fix it guys. You just need to press Windows key and R key together and type here percentage local app data percentage again and press enter. And here you just need to find NVIDIA Corporation folder, double click on it. Double click on the GeForce Now folder and right click on the save cache folder and select delete option. And now just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view network status and task. Select connection. Select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select here use the following DNS server addresses and type here 1111. In alternative DNS server type 1001 and click on OK. And just to close stuff here and check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. And now check my video description for these commands just to copy and paste it one by one. Finishing all these commands just to close tab here and check if the problem is solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to open up Chrome and search Geek uninstaller. Select the download option under official site. Select the zip and download it. After getting download and select this Geek zip file and double click on the application. Select yes. Find GeForce Now. Right click on the GeForce Now. Select uninstall option. Select uninstall. Select close. And this will scan for leftover files, folders and registry. And as you can see, some leftover files found. Select the finish option and this will delete all the program traces guys. And now we completely uninstalled the GeForce Now. Just go to search menu and type GeForce Now, select the first site and scroll down and select the GeForce Now download option and select download for Windows option. After getting download done, install the GeForce Now and after the installation done, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.